Welcome to the flow cytometry simulation. In this simulation, you'll analyze a sample for the presence of a harmful microbe. Begin by selecting either the practice or test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode does not offer any feedback. Prepare a sample for analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. After preparing your sample, select the Analyze button to continue. Choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your final answer. The New Sample button provides you with a different sample. Make sure you do not select this button until you have completed your evaluation of the current sample.